how VJs shall deal financials. More applicable if you're shy and the client is a jerk. The pay scale, the rate, the supply and demand varies in different countries. Yet the basics are same. It can be hard and uncomfortable for negotiating your payments and your terms, and we are all VJs here. We should be more focused on work, less about money. For that, you shall set some financial charges and rates for your service, your design, your effort, and you. Here are a few tips to deal human. Be confident. Be confident in your ability and the value you bring into the table. Remember that you have a unique skill and experience. Just Google how many VJs are there in the world versus how many agencies and venues are there. Take a screenshot and carry it with you. Just remember, every single time you learn something useful, you just upgraded yourself and your workflow. That raises value to your clients for making experiences. But don't be a douche as well. Clear communication. Make sure your clients understand what they are paying for. Absolutely, never overpromise. Never use pointless marketing jargons. You will have agencies who will make their living doing that, so don't worry. Stick to your rates. Be firm and polite while negotiating. Stick to your rate chart, take it out, point at the rate chart and yell at it, blame it. But stick to it, unless you are certain there's a longer deal coming up with them. Paperwork. Try using a contract or a written agreement to preserve clarity that keeps both parties on the same page. Once you make your paperwork, now you can focus on your actual work, which is VJing. But if the client is truly unreasonable and abusive, it may be best to walk away from the job. Remember, you have the right to refuse your work. If you don't feel comfortable or safe or hurts your ethic, just stop. But if they put a gun at you, forget what I just said and run!